Alright, up next we have a game called Sound Effects. I need two very eager audience volunteers.
Kristen!
Boom! You with the perfectly sized fro. Get up here. I need another one. Who's the only hand that went up?
Kristen!
It looks so good next to it.
You in the back, waving. Come on up, right? What's your name? Chris. Give a round of applause for Chris. What's your name? What's your... Sam. Chris and Sam. Give them both another round of applause. Okay, so how this game of sound effects works is this. Grab that microphone over there if you can. So Kyle and Elise are going to act out a normal scene, but at any point in time, our two audience volunteers can make sound effects with their mouths, which our improvisers have to justify. Hilarious. I need a suggestion for a place. Elevator. I heard elevator. And begin.
My jam! Oh man. Miss! You're done! You almost left me behind in the shaft. We're going up to 30. Oh, don't worry. I keep lots of spare snacks in my backpack in case I'm with unruly animals in an elevator. Let's see what I've got. It's on sale! Here's some crackers. This might do some good for us. Oh, he's making a mess.
Forrest, don't be rude.
Wow, we've only traveled 2 floors. This is
Worst elevator I've ever been on. Too bad I forgot my duck. I think I'll be late to my meeting. Is this...
Well, look at that. It skipped all the floors from 13 to 28 and got us right here. That's a bit unusual. I should write about this in my diary. The second pocket is, it was a lot better. Dear diary, today I ran into the duck lady on the way. Hey, yeah, can I get a direct quote from you? That's not a guy like I heard before.
Another big round of applause for Chris